Here on the resources section, there's several things here that are really important. One of them is, first of all, you get to see your banners, right? Your banner sizes, what they are. These banners are for posting in a location that it actually allows you to put HTML coded things. So, and when you do that, it'll let people be able to see your banner, right? And the banner, specific banner, is actually coded for your account. So if somebody clicks on it, ends up going to the referral page, they end up seeing your referral link, and if they sign up under you. Now, whether you put these in different areas where you might have an ad going, you're allowed to put a banner up, that's what they're there for, okay? The PDF section, if we had PDFs that were ready for you, it'd be downloadable right there. It'd be the name of it. We remove the PDFs until we're done updating things, the new system. The DFY forms are easy to manage. This is if you have the executive director level, and it looks like this. You would actually go to a page form. So if this is for building a web page, what's your username, first name, last name? Give your phone for verification so we know no one's doing anything in your account, right? And if in fact you're not in that level yet, you will not. They'll know it because they'll look at your username, right? What type of page do you want, right? Landing page, thank you, home page. So what is it you're looking for? Other. Once you know, you type it in. What URL are you going to want? Do you want it to resemble? You have a picture of a website that you already looked at before? So the forms are pretty easy, and if you have different files to attach, you give all you can. The more information you can give, the faster you get back the result, and the greater quality it will be that represents what you're looking for. And it doesn't matter if it's the membership site training setup or the DFY funnel. If you want someone to set up a specific entire funnel for you, you have to give the details of whatever it says in the form. Once we give it back to you, right, you can paste the code in here, and then it'll have links waiting for you. So if you ask us to build a page or a funnel, you'll get a code that you submit. Once you submit it, it'll on the other end you will have specific links ready for you to demonstrate it. So that's what the import funnel section means. By the time you're watching this video, you won't see the training videos here because we're installing our on the weekend our new user success program that has all of our training videos in there, and that'll be ready for you. So that's it for now. But this is a pretty easy page to manage, but if you have questions, you can certainly ask us. All right.